Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting what the automation needs and why it matters: repeatability and speed. Identify each form field and map it to a single canonical name, because consistent names prevent errors. Once done, pick your tool: a lightweight extension for simple sites, Selenium for complex flows, or an API for server-driven forms, and prepare one or two real-world test inputs. Make sure credentials and sample data live in a secure vault so you can run safely. You now implement the core automation. Start by scripting navigation. Open the form URL, wait for DOM readiness, and handle redirects or modal pop-ups. This prevents race conditions. Then fill fields by stable selectors or canonical names, and validate formats like email and date to avoid server rejections. Next, add conditionals and retry logic for dynamic or lazy-loaded inputs, plus pauses to respect rate limits. Remember to log each step so you can trace failures quickly. You finish by submitting and verifying success. Check HTTP responses or a confirmation selector, then capture a receipt or screenshot for records. After that, harden the process, rotate API keys, encrypt stored data, and restrict permissions to reduce risk. If something goes wrong, replay the run with verbose logs and step-through mode to find failing selectors or timing issues, often a missing wait or changed class breaks filling. Finally, schedule periodic tests so the flow stays reliable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.